So the timesheets say 8 hours of work, but what really happened on the screen? I will show you how live monitoring and screenshot history helps you verify actual work and wasted time. We will go through typical patterns, and this is especially useful for remote staff, freelancers, and project-based work. So let's see how you can accomplish this. Yeah. So if you would like to better know how time is spent, um, and if time has been wasted, you could check with a lawyer if you and your country and your location are allowed to install monitoring software like the software Wolfeye Remote Screen that I will present to you, because that software will allow you first to see the live screens of each of the company computers as if you were sitting in front of it, and also to make screenshots on a regular basis so you know exactly when work has been finished. How does it work? You install a small piece of software called Wolfeye on each of the company's computers and will receive a link to your dashboard like this one. This is the demo dashboard. That's why the demo password here is displayed. You enter the password and will access your dashboard. And what you will see is for each of the computer that you have installed the software on, you will see the live computer screen. Okay. In this case, this is the demo dashboard. That's why you see here dummy pictures, but in reality, you will see the live screen for each of the computers. And you could change this grid to 2 columns, so you see bigger screens, and to 3 columns, so you see smaller screens. But we'll always see the live computer screens for each of the computers. And live screens means it is a screenshot made every 2 to 3 seconds. Yeah? So you have this lag of 2 to 3 seconds, but we'll always see the live screen. And if you wanted to take a closer look on one particular computer, you only have to hit this live link. Right mouse, open a new tab for that particular computer, and you will see the live link of the live screen of that particular computer. And if you wanted to check screenshot history, so to speak, what has been done throughout the day, you have this link that says history. You right mouse click, open a new tab, and can see the screenshot history. Again, this is only the demo dashboard. That's why you see these dummy pictures, but in reality, a screenshot will be made every 5 minutes. So that's how it works. If you want to do it on your company's computers or to try it out, just come to our website, wolfeye.co, and hit the 14 days free trial. Yeah? And here you can schedule a demo session with me. Yeah? In the demo session, what will happen is the following. First, Wolfeye will already be installed on my computer, and I will give you access to my dashboard so that you will see my live screen. I send it to your WhatsApp, for example. You will see on your smartphone or on your laptop, on your computer, my live screen, as if you were sitting in front of it. That's the first thing. And if you like it, we can proceed and we install it. I guide you through to the installation. So we install it on 1 or 2 of your computers. That will allow you to install it on your remaining computers for yourself, and you can test it for a few weeks for free, of course. The installation, I said I guide you, it only takes less than a minute. Why? Because very easy, very fast to install. It is installed the following way. The installation, I sent you the download link, and you download this application here. You double click it, yeah, and the installation wizard appears. You hit install. Oh, it's already running. Okay, then I have to cancel it. I have to stop it because the installation folder is on C, users, public documents, W, and that's the software here. I have already installed, but I wanted to show you how fast the installation is. So double click on the setup file, hit install button, and hit finish, and that will launch Wolfeye Remote Screen. Yeah? And then you only need to hit 2 buttons, the share screen button, and lastly the stealth mode button. So go back, we'll stop it again. So that's how fast the installation process is. So come to our website, wolfeye.co here, and schedule a Google Meet session with me. I will be happy to meet you. See you in the next video.